Electrostatic discharge, or ESD, refers to the sudden flow of charge between two unequally charged objects upon contact. When an object with an accumulated charge is in proximity to another object with a different charge on a conductive path, a discharge can occur, creating a rapid surge of energy in a short duration of time. The rapid surge of energy appears in the form of a spark, audible noise, or visible light, depending on the energy involved. ESD is primarily caused by the accumulation of charges on the surface of an object. Modern electronics are highly sensitive to even small levels of charge. The presence of a charge can cause immediate damage, such as an electronic component catching fire, or latent damage, such as the traces of a circuit board overheating. ESD poses a significant concern in various industries as it can lead to malfunctions, reduced performance, or complete failure of electronic components, equipment, and systems. To mitigate the risks associated with ESD, various preventive measures are employed, such as the use of anti-static materials, which provide a controlled path for the static charge to dissipate harmlessly. Additionally, grounding systems, which link the electronic components to the ground, are implemented to minimize electric potential differences and provide a safe discharge path. ESD protective packaging is also used during transportation and storage to shield sensitive components from static charge. In industrial settings, there are several ESD control programs and protocols implemented, which include using ESD-safe flooring, using proper grounding techniques, using ionizers for humidity control, and training personnel. A device such as a diode, varistor, or metal oxide semiconductor, or MOS, also helps divert or absorb the excess energy during an ESD event. Employing preventive measures and following ESD control protocols are crucial to protect sensitive components and ensure the reliable operation of electronic equipment.